Nice to see you again. In the series I'm making about doing fundamental research, I'd like to take a look at the community behind a project. Because even if you have a great team that works on a fantastic product, if you don't build up support for the product or service you develop, it will be difficult to get it off the ground. An active community is very important in this. Today we'll be investigating the status of this for Bistro. When we take the Bistro website as a starting point, we'll see four links to the social media channels at the bottom of the page, a link to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Let's start by taking a closer look at these four channels. Starting with Facebook, Bistro has been active on there since October 2019 and posts messages roughly once a week. Attention is paid to the first restaurants to participate, as well as regular references to blog posts and updates from their organization. Bistro is clearly growing, but the last post on here is from a few weeks ago now. What strikes me is the high quality of the visuals used in the posts. That said, I think the total reach is on the lower end, with just under 400 followers. I inquired about this with Bus Rose, the founder of Bistro, using Telegram. He let me know that they are in the middle of the hiring process for an online marketer, which raises my hopes for a future marketing boost. When I look at the next channel in the list, Twitter, I can see that most of the content being shared is similar to that on Facebook. The Twitter channel has just under 200 followers, which is quite low. Twitter is known for its so-called hashtags, so a post based on its hashtags may have a greater reach. A search on the hashtag Bistro returned results of messages posted by the community itself. That's a good start and a very good sign. Instagram is a platform that revolves around beautiful images and visuals and good presentation. They certainly know how to do that at Bistro. The quality of all the visuals used is exceptionally good. This is also apparent from the number of followers that they have managed to build up here, almost 1,500. A hashtag can also be placed with an Instagram post. Even now you see that the hashtag is used by, for example, restaurants that are already affiliated with the Bistro network. There are currently 4 videos on Bistro's YouTube channel, 2 of which are informational videos in Dutch as well as in English. In addition, 2 interviews with restaurateurs who have joined the platform have been posted. Bistro has just over 700 subscribers on YouTube, and the audio-visual material here is also of the highest quality. Telegram is widely used by companies active in the crypto world to keep in touch with their supporters. Bistro is also active here. There are currently 4 Bistro channels, namely Bistro, the official English language channel in which more than 2,300 participants are active, the official channel for the Netherlands and Belgium, in which about 500 participants are active, the Bistro announcement channel, which Bistro uses for official reporting, which is followed by 243 people, but where you as a participant cannot post a message yourself, and the Bistro unofficial channel, with over 200 participants in which, for example, the price development of the coin is discussed and other off-topic subjects. You may notice that Bistro considers these channels to be extremely valuable. They have recently appointed a number of committed and motivated moderators. Moderators are active participants in a channel, but not necessarily employees of Bistro. Bistro also launched an ambassador program a few weeks ago. This program, for which you must sign up to participate, rewards participants for activities that help Bistro and its community grow. Think of things like connecting new restaurants to the platform, creating tutorials or other content, and writing blog posts. By actively participating in the Bistro Ambassador program, you can earn Beast tokens.